What's up, guys? Welcome to the Aries Moto, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick, definitely not easy. Welcome. Today I'm gonna be replacing this vent inside the middle vent on a 2008 to 2011 Ford Focus. So I've seen a lot of those things broken, so I'm just gonna go how it's really easy. It shouldn't take you a couple minutes after you have a spare part, which I picked it up on a junkyard, and here's what it looks like when it's not broken and in one piece. So to remove this one is very easy because it's already broken. So it's just literally, you can like pop it right out. So there's a little plastic teeth on the side like that, like right here too, and there's a couple on the bottom right here. Nothing on the top. So you got two side pieces and then 3 or 4 on the, and then this just pops out. It's broken, so this is garbage. So this comes out. Okay, so the new one is literally gonna just find a spot and it's done. So that was very quick, very easy. All right. Maybe sometimes you're gonna be able to fix those, and here's how you fix it. Okay, so usually this comes apart like that, and what you want to do, there's this two little in middle, one right here, one right here. So you want to connect those first, like so, and then you want to align them like that. There's a little plastic teeth here on top, so you want to align those and make sure they're all like that, plugged in. And yeah, as you can tell right here, yeah, they're all, so it's one solid piece right now. You can tell it works. Alright, so all the teeth on top, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the teeth on the bottom, they're all nice, and it's one solid piece right now. And I'm just gonna go back and install it to the car.